Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the SPX500 or the S&P 500, starting on the daily, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the daily, we are pushing past this next Fibonacci level. That's actually a pretty good sign that it's probably going to keep on going up. On the 1 hour time frame range, it does kind of look like it's trying to make an ending diagonal, but I'll show you that in a minute. To me, it looks like the end of a crescent right here. And if that is the end of a crescent, this is likely a wave 1, a wave 2, and a wave 3. So even though the 1 hour time frame kind of looks like an ending diagonal, it's probably more likely that it will continue up towards that $6,000 target area that I have, which is my target for this wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, like I said, it very slow price action, and it definitely has that ending diagonal, wedge look to it. So if it does break down out of this wedge, then it probably will make a push to the downside. But even if it does do that, I personally think it's just going to be a crescent like an ABC, and it possibly will just end up continuing back up later on. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So in a ending diagonal, the wave 1 should be the biggest wave. So this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, potentially wave 5. So it definitely does kind of fit as probably a possible ending diagonal. So if it does go down and start breaking below these lows, then I think it probably will likely go down for what I honestly think, because of how overlapping this is. Even though an ending diagonal is supposed to be like a wave 5 or a wave C, I kind of feel like it's more likely this is like a three waves of A, this is a B, and then if it does go down, it's just going to be a wave C, and then it's just going to break structure to the upside after making a correction and potentially continuing the uptrend from there. Now, this all really relies on whether or not it breaks structure to the downside. If it does not break structure to the downside, but instead goes down and either makes a three waves down, high or low, or it rejects structure, I would continue to look for longs at least until we do get a break of structure down, because the trend is up, and the higher time frames definitely lead you to believe that this really is a wave 3, at least on the daily time frame and up. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.